God damn it.
Loose doggy.
Uh-oh, loose doggy. Be careful, doggy. Wow, that dog's still running.
What, you see him?
Yeah, he's on that side of the road over there.
Oh, okay.
It's like, I'm racing you, I'm racing you. Oh, come on, baby. No, 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 no. Don't go into the middle lane. Just to save the dog.
No, no, I'm flashing these guys.
Yeah. Oh, God.
See?
Hey.
Dog in the road. Pay attention.
Watch out, baby. Just go.
He's right behind us.
I know. But go. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I see him. And I got my hazards on too. Come on, boy. Come on.
Yeah, here, pull over. He's going. Just, yeah. Hopefully he stops soon.
Here.
Yeah, open the door and...
Here, pull over now. Here, no, pull over. Get into the driver's seat.
Come on, boy. Oh, here. Get him along the side. In here, baby. Come on.
Okay, take him back.
Huh?
Take him back. Go back around.
Okay.
Oh, we're not going to take him home, are we?
No, we're not going to take him home, but we don't know who his parents are.
Yeah, good boy, good boy.
mean, oh my God. What the hell are you doing, dude? Gosh, darn it. God, what the hell is your problem? What are you trying to do? I think he's trying to brake check me, but he's failing.
So I was driving the speed limit down a very desolate highway whenever I noticed a very creepy SUV that was stalking me. It trailed me for about 5 minutes before I slowed down from the posted speed limit that I was going, 65, to 55, hoping that the vehicle would pass. Soon I saw flashing lights coming from the unmarked SUV, so I pulled over.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Shoop, how's it going?
Doing okay. Do you have your license?
Yes, sir. Why are you pulling me over, sir?
For unsafe lane usage and having your speed change.
You're pulling me over for having my speed change?
Just making sure you're not impaired today, sir.
I'm not impaired today, sir.
Okay.
Here's my license.
Registration, insurance, please.
I just noticed that you were like following me, like real close behind me. I just noticed the vehicle.
Lane, so I wasn't.
I noticed the vehicle. What I noticed was a vehicle like right behind me, like following me for quite a bit, and it made me feel uncomfortable because we were on this road, like really open road, and then I noticed that you were I didn't know if you were a police officer. It looked like it. And I just like slowed down because I felt like maybe if you wanted to follow me, maybe you would just pass me. So that's all I did, sir.
Okay.
Is your name S. Shoop?
Sergeant Shoop.
Okay, thank
Can
you.
I see your registration insurance, please?
Yes, sir. I gotta reach right in here,
no
okay?
problem.
Are you a highway patrolman, sir?
I am.
Okay. I'm not trying to be rude with you, sir. I'm really not.
You have not been at all. I don't feel like that at all.
Let's see. Yes, sir.
I don't see any indications from you of being impaired.
I'm good.
I don't smell anything, so let me go write you a warning. We'll get you on your way.
Okay, what are you writing me a warning for?
For lane usage. I don't know if you were watching me so much, you hit the white line twice and then you varied your speed.
Oh.
Those are indications of people. It could be drunk, could be high, things like that. So.
Could be scared of somebody who's following them.
But I just
want to, sir.
You understand from my point of view?
No, I don't. I just want to let you know that from my point of view, sir. You know, with all due respect to what you do, I've recently been traumatized by a police officer for something that I didn't do. Okay. And I have a lawyer, and it's a big case and everything. I'm not a criminal. I've never had a criminal record in my life. I just, you know, whenever you got behind me, I felt like I was being followed, and it scared me, and I'm still kind of scared a little bit right now. Okay. I'm not blaming you. I thank you for doing your job correctly. I don't think that I was speeding or anything, but thank you for writing a warning. I understand that, but I'm not a person like that has a lot of tickets on my record.
That's how we find impaired drivers.
Yes, sir.
Is we look for smaller clues and then we pull them over. Sometimes it could be just that. Someone that got really nervous watching me and hit the line a few times. Yeah. Sometimes they are impaired.
Yes, sir.
But I don't know. I've never met you. I don't know you.
Yes, sir.
Until I stop you, that's how we find impaired drivers and pretty much save lives and keep the roads safe. You understand what I'm saying?
I just disagree with any assertion that I really did anything wrong. I think I've explained to you what happened.
Yes, sir. 100%.
And I feel like I'm driving okay, and that I was a little worried whenever I found that somebody was following me. Okay. So.
Well, I'm gonna give you a warning. Just give me a minute. Let me write it out. It doesn't go against your record, and we'll get you on your way. Okay.
Okay.
All right, sir. There's your license and your registration. This is not a citation. It is a warning. There's nothing you need to do with the paperwork. It just documents this stop and the reason I stopped you.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Any questions or?
Did you see me pass me back there? You saw me pass back there? Was that you that had somebody pulled over whenever I passed back there? Did you see me? I got in the left lane, went around you.
Yes, sir.
And I went back in the right lane properly.
Appreciate it.
And I gave you that respect.
I appreciate that, sir.
Okay.
You have a safe day, okay?
Yes, sir. In conclusion, I want to say that I just think that he saw me. He came and he stalked me. He wanted to pull me over. He had no reason to pull me over. He stalked me until he could find a reason, and whenever he could find no reason, he literally made one up. The warning he gave me was for driving on one lane and dash unsafe lane change. ARS 28.729.1, driving on roadways lane for traffic. And then he wrote that I was doing 45 miles per hour whenever I was really doing 65 until I was doing 55. We all knew that speeding was against the law. I guess this guy thinks that not speeding is against the law too.
Same food every day.
No, Badger. I'm like, no wonder I want to eat KFC instead of the stupid
Wait,
food.
did that guy just...
Well, this person was driving on the wrong side of the road.
No,
Oh, sh! Wow. Red
It's my turn.